Okay, everybody, here we are at Hands-on 4, work with long documents. Not a real long exercise here, should be pretty quick, just a few minutes. But again, I want to show you some neat tricks when it comes to working with long documents. Step number 1 is launch Word to a blank document and apply the no spacing style. So I'm at a blank document, I'll pick no spacing up here. Again, that's no paragraph spacing. And number 2, we're going to enter a little code that's built into Word. You have it, all Word users have it. Okay, it comes to the program, and we're going to get some sample data in here. And I'm going to type in equals RAND, uppercase, lowercase, doesn't matter, open parentheses, 12, comma, 12, close parentheses, and then I'm going to hit enter. And there is a sample document. Now, what's the magic behind it? The 12, comma 12, we got 12 paragraphs, and each paragraph has 12 sentences. Had we done 5, comma 9, we would have gotten 5 paragraphs. Each paragraph would have had 9 sentences. Okay, so a sample document appears, and we're going to format this a little bit. Number 3, select the entire document, double space it, and leave it selected. Okay, so how do I select all? I can do a Control A, or I can go up here and pick select all, and I'll double space it. My align spacing, all your spacing options are in the paragraph group right here. Line and paragraph spacing, and I'll make it double spaced. There we go. I'll leave it highlighted. Apply the justify paragraph style. Notice all paragraphs are left aligned by default, and it's jagged over here in the end. I want to make it justified so it's straight on both sides. So I'll go up here and hit my justify button, or do a Control J. It looks good. And then number 5 is apply a first line 1/2 inch indent to each paragraph. Most people would go to the beginning of each paragraph and hit the tab key. See, tab, tab. This is how most people would do it, but we're going to do it the cool way. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. All right, I'm going to undo that. Undo, undo, undo. Okay, I'm going to leave it all selected. And I'm going to grab my indent marker up here on the ruler. First line indent, and drag it to the 1/2 inch mark. That's the default for a tab stop. For a first line indent, it's 1/2 inch, and then release. Notice now every paragraph has a 1/2 inch indent. Looks good. Okay, saved myself a lot of time there, didn't I? All right, I got a 6-page document here. Let's see here. Apply first line. Number 6, perform a Control Home to relocate the insertion point to the top of the document. So Control Home takes it to the very top. Control End, END, not N as in Nancy, but End, END, takes it to the very bottom of the whole document. So I'll do Control Home. I'm at the very top of the document. Number 8, we're going to select Insert from the ribbon and pick Cover Page. And it really doesn't matter where you are in the document. I just sort of wanted to show you those keyboard shortcuts. But the cover page always gets inserted at the very beginning. And we're going to pick the WISP cover page. You can look at all these different cover pages. If you don't have WISP, you can pick whatever you want. And there it is. And there's a cover page to my document. Looks good. So we did a lot to this document with just a few steps, didn't we? The cover page inserts at the beginning of the document. Scroll through the document, then close it without saving. Okay, so that's just a real brief lesson on working with longer documents. So I'm going to put a header in here. Let's see. I can just double click up here in the top margin, and there's my header. Video editing. A new age, whatever you want to do. Okay, I just made something up there. And you can scroll down. I'll double click my footer area. And page number, current position, and just a plain number. Then I double clicked my grayed out text, and I'm in header, and I got out of header and footer mode. So there's my header and footer and my page numbering. Looks good. We cover a lot more with headers and footers later on. That's when to just give you a real brief touch on it, and how to do a basic header. Most people don't realize that you can just go here at the very top and then double click. The long way is to go to insert, and then the header footer button right down here. Okay, but you don't have to do that. Just double click right in here and you get right into header mode. Okay, so we'll stop here, and that takes care of hands-on 4. The next thing you're going to do is your knowledge check 2. You're going to highlight your answers. Remember to highlight your answers. Let's see here. Just highlight your answer like that and click your little highlighter button. Okay, then when you email me the document, I'll know that you got the right answer. Okay, let's head back to the classroom and talk a little bit now about creating a basic report. Okay, and we're going to encompass all that we've learned so far to kind of tie everything together. Sort of a capstone type report. Okay, so I'll see you then.